how to cook a hollandaise sauce. Hello everyone, my name is James Howe and this is Chef at Home. Welcome back to my how to cook masterclass. If you've been following the course from the very beginning, you'll know that by now in this unit alone we've covered 3 types of essential stocks and we've covered 3 of our 5 mother sauces. If you haven't, make sure you check out that full playlist and get up to date with the course so far. In today's lesson we are looking at the hollandaise sauce, which is the first one on this course that's not based on a roux. This is actually based on an emulsion, and I'll explain what that is a little bit further on. And quickly, before we move on, if you are looking for a free comprehensive course on how to cook, make sure you subscribe and come back every Monday for more lessons in this series. So back to the hollandaise then. First thing we need to do is get some butter melted. So this is about 125 grams, about half a block. So I'm just going to put that into the pan to slowly melt down. Then into a metal bowl, I'm going to put 2 egg yolks, about half a teaspoon of vinegar, a squeeze of lemon juice. I'm going to place that on top of a pan of hot water, which would be called a bain-marie, and just whisk. So the reason it's called an emulsion is because we're mixing 2 things that generally wouldn't combine together. So what we're doing here is breaking down the molecules so that they all come together as one. And how you do that is apply speed, so we whisk the eggs really fast. It's the first 30 seconds that are the most important. So you add the butter so slowly so it's really started to combine well. After that you can start adding a little bit faster. So all the butter is in until you end up with this silky smooth sauce like this. So one thing that's missing is seasoning. Now it's important you do it at the end, not at the beginning. That's because the salt will break down the yolk and you'll just destroy the sauce. So add in a little bit now. And the final result, the perfect hollandaise. And we just finish that with a dusting of cayenne pepper. And it really is as simple as that. Now there is an alternative method which requires to just use a blender, but I would really encourage you to master this first. Being able to master this opens up a whole new world of derivatives. Start going down the lines of béarnaise, mayonnaise, dijonnaise, all these different sauces. They all start from here. In terms of storage, the bad thing is that it doesn't last very long, maybe a couple of hours maximum. But the good thing is, because it's such a short shelf life, you get to practice it more often. And soon this method will be just as easy as the cheap version for you, as it was just then to make this in a matter of minutes. And next week we're going to be moving on to our final mother sauce before we start this round of practice dishes. So go back and have a look at the bechamel velouté, the espagnole, and just keep it fresh in your mind. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below and I will see you soon.